All right, it's been a little while. Let's talk about crypto.com and Cronos. Cronos sitting around 8 cents right now, and we've been kind of hovering here for a while with crypto.com. Cronos is a $2 billion market cap right now, ranked number 36. We've seen that crypto.com has kind of evolved into not only just an exchange, but also now the Cronos blockchain and DeFi. And recently they had some interesting news come out that I want to share with you in this video about their accelerator program, some of their main partners for that, and what this means for Cronos moving forward. Wanted to share it with you in this video. By the way, Bybit, the link is down below in the description. If you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies, that is what I'm using, Bybit. And if you're in the United States, you can use a VPN like NordVPN. I usually set my location in Spain and trade without having to worry. And also, it adds another layer of security for you as well. But what is the Cronos Accelerator program? So the official Cronos Accelerator website, the program defines what kind of teams it's looking for. So basically, Cronos is looking for teams to build in DeFi, GameFi, and SocialFi, an infrastructure that has the product as its core. In addition to that, also being looked for are teams that innovate to fill the gap within the Cronos ecosystem and bring new use cases for the community by adding high value. And this is, again, one of the areas that I think Cronos is doing a fantastic job at is they're getting into DeFi now, heavy. They're getting into gaming now, heavy. Generally, to be selected, Cronos Accelerator requires to submit projects that are pre-seed and seed or working prototype of or MVP, which would be plus, which would be a plus. For those selected as the three teams, which are right here, Bitcoin, BlockSec Team, and RockX, they're all offered the Cronos Accelerator program 3 months apart with support in key areas such as technical, tokenomics, legal, commercial, marketing, and fundraising. On top of that, and access to a network of top mentors and investors with key names in the crypto VC industry. Now, I made a tweet yesterday about something in particular with the Cronos ecosystem. Look at this. This is their gaming ecosystem. And again, this is what's really drawing me into Cronos. I've always liked crypto.com. I've talked about it since 2021. I've always liked just the native exchange. But what we've come to see is centralized exchanges that just rely on that alone probably have some difficult times ahead, right? Now, getting into DeFi, I think really separates Cronos now, right? They had the name change. They are also really focusing on the future of DeFi. Look at this. This is their gaming ecosystem within Cronos. So there are some big things happening here with crypto.com. They're outside just the centralized exchange. That has me very interested and fascinated in what they are going to be doing here in the months and years ahead. So in the past 24 hours, Cronos has undergone a 6% price pump, got actually up to 8 cents. You could see the high here was just over 8 cents in the last 24 hours. We're just below it right now. But Crow has been one of the top crypto assets. It's been making headlines as early as late January 2023 about its trend, which, while choppy, has been bullish, has been moving up. And indeed, Crow's price managed to touch a little over 8 cents in early February. But we saw what this asset did in 2021. It exploded almost to $1. There were days where it was going up like crazy. And with a name like crypto.com, with a marketing plan around crypto.com and Crow like there already exists, I think we're going to have some bright days ahead. And now with their DeFi ecosystem they're building out, and really it's a main focal point, I think there's some, again, a lot of opportunities here to grow with crypto.com. And I continue to hold a lot of Crow tokens in, we'll see. Once it gets to $1, maybe $5 in the future, things are going to be looking good for a lot of people who hold Cronos. So Cronos fam, appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe down below. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon, that link is down below in the description as well. I know my buddy Austin's been talking about this, and I'm going to be doing this as well. I'm going to be showcasing some of my personal portfolios. Mine are going to be different, and I'm going to be going over different sectors in the market. So I'll have an AI crypto portfolio. This is all going to start in March, by the way. I'm going to have a top 100. I'm going to have a gaming portfolio, probably 4 or 5 different portfolios, and you get to see the trades I make out of these. Some of this will be long-term holds. Some of this will be trading, and that's all going to happen in my Patreon for just $20 per month. I mean, you spend that at Chipotle nowadays, right? So the link's down below in the description if you want to give it a try for a month. We'd love to have you. Love to see you over there. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you.